Welcome back, YouTube. Hope everybody had a good weekend. So, doing some body work on the Honda ep3. Still gotta sand this down some more. All this was damaged. I mean, it was really bad. It's so smooth now and nice. Almost done. Almost done. And over here, got the bumper. Still working on it. This was all damaged as well. This was cracked here. This was cracked right in the middle. Fix that. Plastic welded it. And the wing, side skirt, the door, the trunk. The new lips came in for the front and rear. Got a prep. And yeah, just give you an update. I will be getting this done. Probably start back out tomorrow. Make some more content. We got some more sanding to do. Get all this done. Cut it out nice. Yeah, it's coming out good. Can't wait to paint it. Hopefully next week. And then once we get that done, we got this bad boy here. We'll be getting that freaking engine swapped. Transmission. This is a rust-free Power Stroke 6.0. Yep. I finished this BMW. Needs a tune-up now. Little minor stuff. Then there's another ep3 under there. Parts car. Power Stroke 6.0 here. This is a project truck that I'm gonna be selling. It's got the KC turbo. If it don't sell soon, I'm gonna swap the interior. It's a nice truck. Yep. I'm just checking in, guys. See what you guys are up to. All right.